Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are having a good time at home, staying indoors, staying safe, washing hands every time when you touch anything. And today I have a friend who's come to meet all of you. See who has come? Meow. This is Pete the cat, our friend. Pete the cat has come to say a hi to all her friends. And Pete the cat is very happy today. You know why? Because she is wearing her favorite yellow jacket with four groovy colorful buttons. And she is singing. What is she singing? Let's hear. I love my yellow jacket. I love my yellow jacket with four groovy buttons. I love my yellow jacket. Oops! What happened? Ooh, one button fell off. And now Pete is just left with three buttons. Is Pete crying? Goodness, no. Because buttons come and buttons go. Pete is still singing. I love my yellow jacket. I love my yellow jacket with three groovy buttons. I love my yellow jacket. Oops! Another button gone. Oh God, now Pete has just two buttons left. Let's see, is Pete crying? Meow. No, Pete is still singing her favorite song. I love my yellow jacket. I love my yellow jacket with two groovy buttons. I love my yellow jacket. Oh God, another button popped out. Is Pete crying? No, Pete is still singing. I love my yellow jacket. I love my yellow jacket with one groovy button. I love my yellow jacket. Oh God, the last button also popped out. Is Pete crying? No, Pete does not cry. Pete is happy. Why? Because now Pete has a belly button and buttons come and go and Pete is still singing. I love my belly button. I love my belly button. I love my belly button. Meow. So children, should we cry? No, we should never cry because things come and things go. So we should always be happy and keep on singing like Pete. Did you like the story? Yes? Alright, so let's all clap together. Come on, very good. So it was a fun story and we will again come back with Pete to see you after some days. Bye children.